Hey Steffen, how do you fix wrong open graph images on social media?
Hey Dominic, that's pretty easy. You use something that I like to call a link debugger. So just Google for something like LinkedIn link debugger. And then all these social networks have their different tools and they like to call them differently. But we have, for example, for LinkedIn, the post inspector. And there you simply add the link of the post that you shared from your website to a social media network. And then it will show you that Open Graph metadata, like the title and the image. And typically with that, the cache of the social network also gets reset and the newest image and newest information will be shown on that network. Some of these tools might have extra buttons for that, but you'll find out on that tool. Why is this important? Why is this an issue? Well, because typically those social networks cache hard all that information that they receive the first time that a link of your website is shared on their social network. And that happens for each individual link, for each individual page or post. And then you need to simply manually refresh that cache on that website. Let's also have a look at the link debugger of Facebook. You have to be logged in there, but then it works just like in the same way. You simply copy and paste the link. Oh, that one didn't work. This post wasn't actually shared on Facebook yet. Okay, so that's interesting. Let's try another one. We're not that active on Facebook. This is the biggest reveal, and obviously no one reading our posts as well. Let me try a more general one. Let me try our homepage. Did anyone share that? Yes. And we got a little warning even here.
Yeah.
What is that? Oh, they want us to add their Facebook app ID. Yeah. No, thanks.
We don't have an app ID.
We don't have it.
And here it says, I mean, it's in German, so we have to translate maybe. So there's like erneut scrapen, which means like that you should scrape again. So in Facebook, it doesn't directly invalidate the cache, but you'll have to do this manually, right?
Yeah,
will
you
even
push
show
that
you
button.
when it was scraped, and they will actually update it from time to time. So, I mean, every social network probably handles that differently because there's a lot of like URLs probably shared on each network, and refetching the images is always like also takes some resources, and yeah, that's why sometimes they are not ever refreshed and sometimes just regularly. But this way you can do it manually usually and update it whenever you know that something has changed.
All right. Great. Yeah. Oh, and look what I just found out. Twitter seemed to have removed their card validator. What's going on there? Might need to investigate on that. Did Elon do something? No, that was ahead of his time, wasn't it? Okay. And one more trick, one more tool. If you want to see how your post will look on social media, then there is a great tool and it's called opentags.io. And there you can copy and paste your link and it will give you a preview for multiple networks and even for the Google search. And then you can control first before you post it everywhere and before you have to check it in each link debugging tool and on each network. You can check it here and see if you like it. Also because the format of those images can be different. So it can get cropped differently on different networks. So yeah, that's it.
Awesome. I think especially the last one's really helpful, not for removing, but for debugging, right? And for testing tools. So this is really awesome.
Yeah.
Thanks, Stefan.
You're welcome.